In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your Gmail inbox for the year 2025. Keeping your email organized can be a game changer in managing daily communications, easing stress, and boosting productivity. We'll dive into this guide to make your inbox cleaner and more efficient. First, let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to Gmail. Once you're logged in, you'll see your inbox with all your emails laid out. Now, one of the simplest ways to organize your emails is by using the tabbed inbox feature. This categorizes emails into primary, social, promotions, updates, and forums. To enable or customize these tabs, click on the gear icon at the top right of your Gmail page and select See All Settings. Then navigate to the Inbox tab. Here you can select or deselect tabs to suit your needs. For instance, if you find that you don't get many updates or social notifications, you might want to disable those tabs to keep things clean. With your inbox settings all set up, let's move on to using labels, one of Gmail's most powerful organizing tools. Labels are similar to folders, but they offer more flexibility because you can apply multiple labels to a single email. To create a label, go to the left-hand sidebar, scroll down, and click on More. Then choose Create New Label. You can name your labels anything you'd like. Popular choices include categories like Work, Personal, or Important. Once your labels are created, you can drag and drop specific emails into these labels or apply them by checking the email and selecting the label icon at the top. To truly enhance your organizational efforts, I highly recommend setting up filters. Filters automate the process of labeling, archiving, or even deleting certain emails as they arrive. To create a filter, return to the See All Settings page and go to the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. Click on Create a New Filter and specify the conditions like sender email or specific keywords, then tell Gmail what action to take with these emails. This might involve automatically labeling newsletters from a favorite blog or sending receipts directly to a finance label. Next, after setting up labels and filters, consider using Gmail's search functionality to regularly find and manage emails. With the vast number of emails you receive, sometimes it takes a quick search to locate something specific. Use the search bar at the top for quick access. You can use specific commands like from or has attachment to further refine your search results. Lastly, remember to periodically clear out your inbox. Archiving emails you no longer need in your main view but might want to access later can keep your inbox neat and trimmed down to just the essentials. Gmail's powerful tools offer a multitude of ways to ensure your inbox is functional and stress-free. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps streamline your email experience.